on, man! Untie me! I've been here for hours!
Why the hell would I want to do that?
I'm getting married, dude. Please! Okay, that's the car I'm arriving in for the wedding. You jump in and wait. Fucked up. Stay there! Don't move! I'm on my way! Okay. The good news is, he's in a seafood diner on the way. There's the prick there.
Dude!
Look who it is. The worst best man ever. Enjoy your seafood platter, asshole. You better still have those rings.
Yeah, chill. They're in my pocket.
Okay, let's go. It's my wedding day, you dick. I could have died.
It's a rite of passage, bruh. You'll be telling the grandkids about this.
I told you it was a dumb idea to do it right before the wedding. What? No, you laid this guilt trip on me about tradition. Oh, God. She looks pissed.